Well, nice. It's a very diverse panel, and I believe that our different opinions will, help us to see various development types and also explore investment strategies maybe and address the challenges and all the solutions related to both concept design, sustainability, technology in this large-scale project. Ziad, you are the one who is actually, building it all, but maybe more from the perspective of technology and especially the internal environments of the buildings. So how do you see the difference between luxury projects and more of a lifestyle projects, and how all of these projects support sustainable practices in the industry?
There is a big demand for the hotels here in Riyadh. If we will define about the luxury itself, I guess it is not something we should focus on it while there is a very big demand in the city itself. We should redefine what is the luxury, let's say, and combine lifestyle project with the sustainability by making something natural, focusing about comfortable and sustainability. I see like the trend is focusing about the luxury.
So you believe that the new luxury will be increased quality of life and amazing guest experiences. And I think that the technology allows us to do it, right? Nowadays, with all the control systems and all the humidity or all this use of these new technologies.
Of course, but also we have the power for this, and we have an engineering solution. We don't see, for example, or we don't have many natural indoor projects in Riyadh.
Yeah, because half of the year the weather is quite tough, and the rest of the year it's amazing. So that's why, because the weather is so good for 6 months.
You know that we are in a desert. Whatever we will make, the climate will be very hot outside. Even it's very great to make it green, Riyadh, or make a forest and the trees. But also we will have the hot weather nearly. Of course, the trees will make it cool better. But I mean, can make indoor parks. For example, it has a fountain inside the airport. Also have a butterflies park inside.
But I believe we will have lots of great airports in Saudi Arabia, because if you've seen all these projects that have been planned and in all different cities, so it's going to be actually just an experience to fly from all the airports in Saudi and experience what's going to happen in the next 10 years.
It's not also to make this opinion or view for a Giga project. It's not, because if we just relate this idea with a Giga project or mega project, it will be a very hard to make it, or something not mostly on hand for everyone. We can make it for small project. We can make it for cafes. We can make it for restaurants, or something on hand for everyone as a trend to make it for this.
But it's interesting because even yesterday on the sessions we discussed that there is a various offering needs on the market, luxury and more lifestyle hotels. So what are the technology solutions nowadays that are used in real estate development projects or hospitality projects within these large scale projects? And does it help to maintain the balance between cost efficiency and quality?
First, the technologies for making a simulation for engineering solution, engineering services for this real estate building, or to test the design from the beginning, to try to modify the design itself. It's very better to make a shifting with the design is already built in. So there's many technologies in this point. We have many like CFD, simulation, computational fluid dynamics, like making the AI with the instruments like indoor thermal comfortable, indoor air quality to make it a better environment inside. This is the technology from my side, but the point is the strategy itself, to recommend it and make it as a required for making the projects more economical, make the construction more faster, to test it, to detect mistakes or the failure even before it happens. So we have a solution from another engineering field. They have a solution, but they can get inside the project to give this technologies. It should have from the decision maker itself to make it as a requirement. To make
so
it
it's
as
coordination and management at the end,
exactly,
project management, right?
Yes, to try to make it okay. There are new technologies to make it applicable on this project, to make it as requirements, to see what is the best technologies for each field. And what is for the big Giga project, which technologies will make more economical, to save the time, to collect these technologies and make it as a requirements from the beginning. This will make an easier from our side to get inside and support this.